Mahabalipuram, a small coastal town in Kanchipuram district, has been the talk of the nation for the past week. This heritage town, dotted with around 400 ancient monuments and Hindu religious temples, is where the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping will be holding an informal summit. But why Mahabalipuram? Mahabalipuram is a historical town built under the Pallava kingdom. It used to have trade links with China way back in the Sangam era about 2000 years ago. The town has served as a port through which the Pallavas exported saris and imported silk from China. Mahabalipuram or Mamallapuram was named after the Pallava ruler Narasimhavarman I, who was a great wrestler or Mamallan. In another legend, as per mythology, Mahabalipuram was said to be founded by Bali, the son of Prahlad and grandson of Hiranyakashipu, who was killed by Lord Vishnu. The UNESCO World Heritage Site is land to several architectural marvels that has stood the test of time. We look at some interesting aspects of these historical structures. Adi Varaha Perumal Temple. Though the Adi Varaha Perumal Temple cave is the least visited one, it is the oldest Pallava structure in Mahabalipuram. The cave is dedicated to Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, depicting the process of creation, sustenance and destruction. Arjuna's Penance. Arjuna's Penance, or the Descent of the Ganges, is one of the largest open-air relief in the world. An open-air relief is an architectural style where a sculpture is carved on a living rock and the sculpted elements stay intact with its rock. The sculpture narrates the tale of how the sacred river Ganges descended on the earth from heaven led by Bhagiratha, a legendary king. Pancharathas. Pancharatha or Five Chariot is popularly known as an ode to the Pandava brothers Yudhishthir, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva and their wife Draupadi of Mahabharata. Although the symbolism and grouping of the structures lead to the name Pandava Ratha, they are neither actual rathas nor dedicated to the Pandavas. They are temples dedicated to Shiva, Vishnu and Durga. Shore Temple. The Shore Temple is also called Seven Pagodas owing to its pyramidical structure and refers to the existence of 7 temples in the region in the past. Now, only Shore Temple remains to tell the tales of the past. During the 2004 tsunami, when a portion of the seabed was exposed, remains of old Mahabalipuram temples were found, proving the 7 temple theory. Not many know that the Shore Temple, which was being constructed initially by Narasimhavarman II, was stopped briefly and completed by the Cholas who invaded Mahabalipuram and took it over from the Pallavas. Butterball. Van Kal, or Stone of the Sky God, is a 250-ton rock perched precariously on the slope of a hill, defying gravity. It is popularly known as Krishna's Butterball. It is said that the rock has been standing strong for 1200 years despite a governor trying to pull it down using 7 elephants due to safety concerns. It is said that this mysterious boulder inspired King Rajaraja Chola to create the Tanjavur Bommai or mud dolls with half-spherical bases which spring back to its original position when pushed. These timeless structures with its rich past will inspire Asia's top 2 leaders to build on the long histories between the two regions.